Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Today we're diving into a common issue many of us face with our Android phones: overheating. When using your device for intensive tasks, such as gaming or streaming, it's not unusual to notice that your phone gets quite warm. This can be concerning, especially if you rely on your device for important activities. So how do you cool it down effectively? Let me take you through a quick guide that will have your phone feeling as good as new in no time. First things first, let's talk about air circulation. When you place your phone inside a bag or a case for extended periods, you might not realize it. But the lack of airflow can cause the device to trap heat, which can lead to overheating. As soon as you pull your phone out of the pack, you can feel the heat radiating from both the back and front panels. This is a sign that your device needs immediate cooling, but don't panic. There's a nifty trick you can use to remedy this situation without relying on complicated methods. Here's where TikTok comes into play. Yes, you heard me right. Open the TikTok app and head to the search bar. Type in cooling sound and you will be greeted with tons of videos designed to help cool down your phone. Select the top video. Make sure it has a substantial number of likes, say over 1.5 million. When you start playing this sound, you'll experience something fascinating. You'll soon feel a rush of cool air circulating from your device. How does this work? It's a surprising and fun trick that takes advantage of certain sound frequencies, making your phone feel cooler. Keep the sound playing until it finishes its duration. Afterward, take a moment to touch your phone and see how it feels. The difference is remarkable. The back should no longer be scorching to the touch. This technique may seem almost magical, but it's practical and simple to implement whenever you need relief from a hot device. So, if you find your Android phone overheating during heavy use, don't hesitate to try this method. Lastly, I encourage you all to share your experiences in the comments below. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and enable the notification bell so you don't miss any of our helpful content. Until next time, take care and peace out.